wet, rainy outside, follow me for some indoor cardio. Welcome to Jamie G TV, the place to be for mind, body, and spiritual fabulousness. Here we offer tips and tricks to feel vital, sexy, and fit over 50. And today we have some indoor cardio. So here we go. Big breath up, exhale down. And again, big breath up. We're gonna do these 4 times. Here we are, a 3rd time up. Exhale down. This is simple walking cardio. Walk in place, here we go. And again. Arms go up. And again. Side touch. Side, side. Good. Swing the arms. Good. Leg comes back now. March in place and march. Breathing nice and deep, and again. Right leg, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Good. Left leg, and forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Good. March in place, march. And again. Good, we're gonna change. Plie and lift, plie and lift. 2 more, plie, good. Watch the arms, they come down and out, down and down and out. We're gonna pick this up, pick it up, down, out. Good. 5, 6, 7, and good. Reach the top. Reach forward. Good. Bring it in. Very nice. New move. Legs are right here. Feet come down and up. Down and up. 2 more. Now watch the arms. Down. Bring the leg in. Bring the leg in. Good. Knee comes up. Knee up. Good. Knee up. 2 more. March in place. Another 8. Ready for this side? Here we go. Down and up. Down and up. 2 more. Good. Add the arms. You come down. Leg comes up. Down. Leg comes up. Last 4 with the knee coming up. Lift the high. Good. Lift the high. Last 2. Good. And march. And again. Good. I'm going to walk forward just a little because we're going to go back now. Back lunge. Back lunge. Back lunge. Pick it up. Here we go. 1, 2, into 2 sets of 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. March. Good. And again. Make it nice and easy. Let's do 2 more sets of 8. Give a little reprieve in between the harder ones, right? 5, 6, side to side lunge. You push. 1, push, push. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Good. Now instead of a march, we're gonna pony. So watch the leg. It goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? Arms up. And up. Up. Good. 4 more. We have 1, 2. Let's do a new move called a kickball change. This is kind of fun. We go kick, ball, change. Yes? Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Pick it up for 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Little dancing. And 6 and 7. Other side. Kick, ball, change, yeah? Kick, ball, change, slow. Pick it up. 2, 8 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, and march. Here we go. Good, and again. 2 more times, 2 more sets of 8, that means. And again. Good, new move. Kick, back, step, change. Almost like a kickball change, but it's higher, yeah? Nice and slow. Kick, back, step, and kick. Here we go, let's pick up the pace. So, kick and 1, and now you can kick like this. Boom, if you want to, or just starting out, we kick nice and low, yeah? Kick, kick, good. You wanna try some direction? I think you can. Kick, 2, 3, 4. Kick, 2, 3, 4. Nice and easy we go. And again, 1, 2, almost there, 3, 4. March, arms up. And down, and again. Up, and down. 2 more times. Up, and down. Last time. Good. New move, looks like this. Punch, punch, in, punch, punch. So we're walking forward. Low impact, just like this. Do 4 more low impact. We're gonna go a little bit higher impact, not much. You ready? Looks like this. It's 1, 1, in, gentle. Or continue like this, yeah? Good. Good, and march up. Good, nice work. Let's go right into a plie and down and up. Down and up. 2 more. Watch how I change it. So we go down, we lift the heels. Down, lift the heels. Arms, down. Heart rate's gonna go up, down. Lift the heels, 2 more. Down, lift the heels, woo, down. Lift the heels and stay down, good. Breathing, feel it working. 5, 6, 7. Now watch the legs come back, 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 good. 5, 6, don't quit, don't give up on me, and down, good. 3, 4, knees over toes, going back, here we go, and 1, and 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bring those legs in, and march, good work. You're feeling the front of the thighs, yeah? 5, 6, 7, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're gonna tap the knee, and we tap, tap, nice and easy we go, 5, 6, another set of 8, and 1, 2, good, 3, 4, 5, now watch us take it to a kick, yeah? So we kick, kick, good, harder, still low impact, yeah? 8 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna work a little bit on the seat now. So 1 leg goes in front, 1 leg goes back to the side, we reach back, we go down, 2, 8 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, booty very far back. We go down, we lift up, down, we lift up, 3, up, 4, up. You'll still feel the heart rate, 6, 2 more, 7, last one, 8. Hold it down, tiny pulses, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more set at 8, nice and tiny. Seat back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now hold on, arms come up, we bring the leg in and back, yeah? In and back. 3, 4, 4 more, 5, 6. You're gonna feel it right back here. And 8, good. Come on up, big breath. And exhale, other side. So this leg is wider than the train track, okay? It's wider than that. Back we go, weight right in the seat. Down, down, good. 3, good. 4, really press that weight back. And 6, last 2, 7, good. 8, here comes that leg in, stand up straight. 2, good. 3, heart rate still up for 5, good. 6, last 2, 7, and 8. Hold it down, tiny pulses. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more set of 8. Back we go. 2, 3, abdominals tight, chest up. 6, 7, and 8. So the arms come above the head, leg goes behind you, yeah? In and back. In and back 8 times. Feel it in the heel, in the front leg. 5, then back. 6, and back. Last 2, and 8. Great job. Good. Inhale up. Exhale down. This is getting a little dancey. 2 more times. I'll show you. Up and down. Good. Up. So we're going to cross this leg over like this. Cross and 1, 2, 3. Cross and 1, 2, 3. Arm. 1, 2, 3. Arm. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cross. 1, 2, 3. Cross. 1, 2, 3. Let's repeat that. 1, 2. Little bit dancey. Here we go. 4 more. It's 5. 6. Last 2. 7. And 8. Okay, very good. Big breath up and down. And again, we're gonna cool it down a little bit. Let's step touch this way. Just cool it down. Good. Good. Let the shoulders go now. Little roll. Roll, gentle. 2. Good. 4, 5, 6. Good. Feeling a little bit different direction here. Arm comes over, hold. 4, 5, 6. Good. 7. Other arm over, hold. Good. 5, 6, 7. And let's bring the arms out. We go side to side. 2, 3. Good. 4, 5, 6. Bending the knees, arms go down. We go hips. 2. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add a little circle around for the low back. 4. Good. 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 7 and 8. I'm going to turn to the side. Hand goes on this leg. We stretch. 2, 3, 4. Seat back. 6, 7, 8. Toe down. Come on up, other way, and pull back to stretch. 2, 3, 4, 5, good. 6, 7, 8, toe down, roll it on up. Good, now balance time. Here we go, arm out to the side. If you can, grab hold of that foot, watch your balance. You can hold on to a chair, of course, or anything that you have, a counter. Quad stretch right here. Feeling it, and other side. Whoop. Hold, hold. Good. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fantastic. Shake your feet on out. Up and down a little bit with the feet. And we're good to go. Thank you so much today for joining me on Jamie G TV. See you next time.